7, 2 on 8, 3 on 7, 2 on 8, single row 8s. How many?
All right. Uh-oh.
All the way down.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking also. Hope the knees still work. Oh, that might be my phone.
Yours. Like, is that me or you?
I guess they're trying to contact me now.
Oh, it's very back here. Like you were kidnapped by a bunch of Oregonians.
Okay. Oh. Well, that's like call yourself. I'm a Texan.
You're in Texas a little bit.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
There's supposed to be a trick to get a top score in this thing. I haven't figured it out yet.
I'll figure it out someday.
They have this online guide and it was too complicated.
Too much reading, right?
Yeah. It's like, I got to sculpt the car this way, I got to do it this way.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
They only give you 3.5 minutes to sculpt to do your car.
Yeah.
All right, who broke it?
Uh-oh. Did somebody drop a hat on the truck?
Don't need hat checks there, guys.
Secure your loose articles.
Everything right now, this must has a screen.
Yeah.
There we go.
At some point, I've got to get more Crayolas.
Okay.
Seatbelt check.
Like this before,
Why don't they check the seatbelt at the beginning?
Don't worry about it.
Make sure it doesn't come out.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Okay. There we go.
We'll begin with the capability test. To see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
You don't use OnStar anymore?
Yeah.
SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Oh, I'm number 3. All right.
Capability test
Number one,
results
Ollie.
displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles can go in some clear fast.
I like 10 hours.
Scanning SIM card Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact.
All right. Maybe that was the wrong one.
Okay. Responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here's the final test.
Energizing core test.
Whiplash. No.
Whiplash. I give you a whiplash.
Displaying power test results.
I have no idea. Those don't look like the right cars.
You'll be able to see your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the same car after you disembark.
You like it, Jen?
There you go.
Please watch your step as you exit. And remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers.
All right. Try to get on this thing. Okay.
I went from Lucas to Ramon.
Oh, there you go.
There's us.
Here, move.
Yes.
There's me. I'm just sitting there.
Now me and Jeannie are
Yeah, 205. I think at the top is like 240 something, or maybe. or 232 is today's high. Oh, car's gone.